What's up, y'all? I'm sure you can tell by the title what we're going to be talking about today, but I am so excited for this video. I actually stumbled upon this dress by an accident. I was going out to a Kevin Hart concert or a Kevin Hart comedy show, whatever you want to call it, and I was looking for something to wear, and of course I got sidetracked and I found one dress that was really cute, and at the time the store, Charlotte Russe, was having a buy one get one $12.50 sale. So they were like, you should go ahead and just pick up another dress. And I was like, I mean, what the heck, you can't beat it, so let me go find another dress. I actually picked this up for stepping out of my box sake. It is a mustard colored and white polka dot dress, and it was originally meant to be like a coat shoulder, but when it wasn't giving me the like look that I was going for, I ended up styling it a bunch of different ways and was like, this is a look, wait a minute. So all of that to say, I went through like 5 different styles before I decided how I wanted to wear it, and then I fell in love with every way that I wore it. So I was like, let me just go ahead and give you guys this video of how to wear one dress in 5 different ways. So without further ado, let's move right to the video. So this first look here, I felt personally that I had on way too many like yellows and tans, so I just paired a blue jean jacket with it and it looked so cute. It was a halter style, and I'm sure that you can put any cardigan or jacket with it if you'd like. The second look is serving you straight summer vibes with the on the shoulder, off the shoulder look. It could be paired with a choker or a simple necklace just because of the like diagonal form of the top. The third look that you are seeing here, I feel again is so good for summer, so good for spring. Really light, really airy. I would pair a long necklace with it, and yeah, this is just your everyday teacher, church, you know, normal traditional style dress. The fourth look is the way that this dress was advertised as, which is the coat shoulder, off the shoulder look. You could again do a long necklace with this. This is great for, you know, the beach, or great for a night out. I loved the way that this looked after I altered it just a little bit to my liking. The final look was, of course, as a skirt. What I did was just tuck the inside with the top of the dress, and I left the elastic band out. I could so see this being paired with a belt, but even without a belt, it still looked really nice. You could put any size or style necklace with this, and I just think that, you know, again, this is good for an everyday wear if you would like. So tell me, which one is your favorite? Which one will you be trying? And use the hashtag #StyleBySyd so that I can see all of the creations that you make. I can't wait to hear from you. Make sure that you comment below, like, subscribe, follow me, all of that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next video.